Let's go on an adventure today. Leo and Coco lead the way. Animals are fun to see. Come and learn along with me. Lion roars, hear the sound. King of jungle all around. Elephant stomp, big and strong. Swing that trunk all day long. Monkey jumps from tree to tree. Happy, silly as can be. Tiger walks so fast and bright. Stripes of orange, black and white. Zebra runs across the land. Black and white stripes look so grand. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Jungle friends, we learned today. Fish swim swish in water blue. Bubbles rise in 1 and 2. Dolphin jumps up in the air, splashing water everywhere. Whale goes whoosh and makes a wave. Big and gentle, strong and brave. Starfish shines upon the sand. 5 arms waving, hello friend. Turtle swims so calm and slow. In the ocean down below. Wave goodbye and clap with me. Ocean friends in the sea. Cow says moo in field so green. Friendliest cow you've ever seen. Sheep says baa with fluffy wool. Soft and cuddy, oh so full. Horse says neigh and gallops fast. Learning fields from first to last. Pig says oink in muddy play. Splashing mud all day, hooray. Duck says quack in pond so bright. Swimming left and swimming right. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Farm friends made our way. Duck says woof and wags its tail. Dash round on every trail. Can you guess who's hiding there? Look real close and take good care. Let's see now. You're so smart, take a bow. Great job, friends, you learned today. Look real close, oh shout